Hello everyone. So we have been going on with our series on logical formulas, and today our topic is SUMIF. So as it is evident from the name of it, SUMIF is a formula that is used to calculate a total of a list of items where a certain logic or criteria has been fulfilled. So before doing any exercise, let me tell you the syntax. From the name it is evident that pick all items and total them where your criteria is fulfilled. And then you have to give the range. The range is basically the list of items that contain your criteria. So that will be a column where your criteria is placed, and ultimately you are going to tell SUMIF as to what it should be doing when the criteria has been searched. The range of cells which contains values that are to be totaled, and only in respect of those rows where your criteria has been fulfilled. So let us do an exercise. If you want to follow along, you can download this file from the link given below in the description. So we have a very typical list of items. So this is a product detail. We have a product broad grouping, and then there is a subcategory of products. Then we have unit sale price, unit cost, and the sales quantity. We can see that product broad category is being repeated, and also the product type, or you may say the subcategory, is also being repeated. So if we want to total a particular category, it will become very difficult for us if the list is exhaustive. For the time being, for ease of understanding, I have just chosen a list of 22 items. Otherwise, it can go to 3,000, 4,000, or even 50,000 in large databases. So our first exercise is to calculate total sales quantity for the products, which is the first column. So our criteria is product name, and the place where SUMIF is going to search for this product name is the column A, which contains the product names, and the column which SUMIF is going to sum is the sales quantity, which is the column E. So let us apply the formula for brand food, which is the first item, equal to SUMIF. So first is the range, which contains your criteria. If you are going to select product type, SUMIF will not be able to find brand food. So brand food is available in product. You can select the heading, it doesn't matter. Press comma and then the criteria. So criteria is here. So I'm not talking about anchoring at the moment. Now press comma and then the sum range gives the sales quantity column from the heading till the last item. Bracket close and press enter. So it is telling that the brand food sales quantity is 961. We can easily check this because it is already sorted from 3 till 10. So it is 961. We can use the same formula for the second item just for your cause of understanding. So I can retype it, or I can do a proper anchoring in the first column and copy it to the second one. So my range or the search range is never going to change. So I can completely freeze this. My search is going to change, so no need to freeze this. My sales quantity will also remain same. I can completely freeze this by pressing F4 and press enter. So I can just copy the above formula to the. We can do the second exercise in the same manner. The only thing which has changed is that our search criteria now is a product type. So product type is available in column B and not in column A. So we are going to give the search range as column B. So let us do this, equal to SUMIF. So for the range, it should be product type because our search criteria is product type, comma. So our criteria is biscuits, comma. The sum range is again the sales quantity. Select the column E and bracket close and press. So we can properly anchor it, copy it to the cells below. We can freeze the search range and the sum range and copy it to the cells. So in this way you have learned the SUMIF formula. So do provide your feedback. Do not forget to subscribe to SHK Excel World. Thanks for watching.